All right, for this project, you're going to need some hoses, a sump pump, and at least 4 or 5 gallons of vinegar, or you can do cleaning solution. For this model, this is a Navien unit. We're going to hook up all the items, and then if your unit has water inlets to be able to close off and be able to have easy access, this makes it a little bit easier. This right here is the filter that we're going to clean out here in a bit, but wanted to show you everything before we started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn that off. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the power, and then there's 2 water portions here. We're going to go ahead and close water going in. We're going to close water going out. And then just for assuredness, we're going to go ahead and turn the water from the house, from the unit, off right here. Fill up our bucket. I'm doing about 4 gallons of vinegar. I do have an extra set here just in case. I'm leaving about 1 gallon so that I can submerge the sump pump, and then we will see how dirty it gets. Okay, so the idea in terms of cleaning out your system here is that you close out all of the water coming in, and you close water coming out into your house, and we're going to circulate the cleaning solution through the entire unit. And we're going to take all the stuff from the bucket, and we're going to put it through this inlet, and then it will go in the system, and then it will go out back into the bucket. So the pump that's going to be doing all of that work is this sump pump right here. So this is going to be the outlet going in to the cold, and then the out is just going to be hanging out and going back into the bucket. So after I hook it up, I'll show you the next step. So we're going to take the outlet from the sump pump. We're going to hand tighten it on here. We're just going to hand tighten it for now. Remember, this is closed right now, so we've got to open that up whenever we're ready to do the pump. Then we're going to put on the return on next. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to run that for 45 minutes. So we've submerged the pump. We have the red, which is coming out, recirculating. And then we have the blue circulating through the system. So I'll see you here in about 45 minutes. All right, our 45 minutes are up. What we're going to do is we are going to kill the power to the pump. And then we are going to empty all of this out. Then we're going to run cold water through the unit for about 5 minutes next. So what we're going to do next is we've closed that off. If you look inside, that's been closed off. We're going to flush cold water through the system by turning that back on and closing that. And we're going to lead this back into the bucket, but we're going to do it over the course of 5 minutes. And you can either do that or you can empty it in your drain right here, depending on what you want to do and how everything's set up. All right, once you pull this filter out, what you don't see on the videos is there's already existing water within the system coming out, so you're going to see some water come out naturally. This is filter within about a year. There's a little bit of debris in there, and I'm going to wash that out. All right, we're going to go ahead and run the hot water. You're going to see a lot of air being purged through this. I'm going to do this for the next 2-3 minutes.